more funds for infrastructure development. This is the basic concern which India has, and veto power because we are the second largest contributor. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so let's see.
Why they are building surplus cities?
Why they are
Building surplus cities.
I cannot compare this the surplus city with the smart cities of India. Why are you making smart cities in India?
Because there are people living, there are no people in those cities.
See, you never know the ideology which China is doing. I am basically worried about the ideology of India. See, I tell you one example. Okay, आज जब उसको छोड़ो, चाइना छोड़ो, तुम इंडिया आ जाओ. अभी I am Beijing जाना है क्या? See, I am talking about role of media. You know what? This a small point. I have 5 more minutes. Role of media. If I am a rural teenager, 20 years, I am with my father working in field along with buffaloes there. Then I have a look on the hoarding on the roadside of an urban person, urban teenager with headphone, laptop, and a beautiful girlfriend behind him. मेरे बगल में कौन खड़ी है? उसके बगल में. We born on the Indian soil, we born on the same democratic soil. I being a rural person, having so much of discretion, and he's having so much urban boy, he's getting so much. So what will that teenager boy do? सवेरे मिली गाड़ी से urban area. Does he have so much of competency and skill set to maintain the standard of living of the urban area? No. Either he himself will get exploited or he will turn himself to a criminal. That's what is going to happen. So that is why India needs smart cities, program like Skill India, where the migration will not happen from all the way from rural area to urban area. They can settle at a transitional position, can get a good job and can get a better life. Girlfriend की बात बाद में देखेंगे. ठीक है? So no wonder the surplus cities have been created in China. Somewhere down the line they were having some plan. अगर कोई industries खुलेगा या कुछ होगा, पर हमारे we are basically consider about the economies of India. Okay.
So if there is no market, then where is Chinese export going?
इससे तो market नहीं है, because China is exporting.
Then we.
Why? I give you 2 reasons, right? First, whatever demand is there has been fulfilled by whom? China. And second scenario was that.
But if we do not try and stand up to the monopoly, it will continue the way it is.
See, the thought process is that we need to be in the market. Manmohan Singh in one speech told that there is so big market that it is enough for China also and it's enough for us also. That is there. Somewhere down the line, people are very much scared that what if 1962 China war repeats? Because if there is economic clash, it can lead to a political clash. Yes.
At this point, I mean, we have to stand up to the monopoly and try.
We will stand up. We will kill China today. Okay. Apart from China, you have any other question, please?
Sir, if there is no demand, then why will foreign companies come to India and manufacture?
As per demand is concerned, we are the second largest population. By God grace, अभी number 1 आ जाएंगे.
But you said
ठीक है?
that the things that will be manufactured will not be.
See, the basic propaganda of Make in India is that to attract international markets to international companies to open up companies here. Okay, so that we can have infrastructure. See, the basic propaganda between the FDI is not to create market, rather is infrastructure. Take the real example of Airtel and Walmart. You have heard that? Airtel and Walmart came together to open retail outlets. Walmart got sick and tired with the red tape of India and it got back. It told मुझे नहीं चाहिए and it went back. But in the process, they did training programs. They opened infrastructure like buildings. They give you skill competencies. They give you technology. Did they take away that with them? It left behind that. It means FDI is such a good thing that even if that particular host country or company goes back, it cannot take away that building, technology, that particular transformation which they have done. That is why no wonder we are not talking about FIIs, we are talking about FDIs. This is the orientation. Market की टेंशन मत लो, हम हैं. तुमको लोग शादी होगी, everybody will be there. We will create market. Okay, any more? Any more questions?
Then how is Make for India seen as a possible solution as opposed to
Make?
Make for India? What now is proposing?
It's a, see, we'll not go into that debate. It's an ideological perspective which each economist will give. For some it's good, for some it's bad. That is why I told you that Pradeep was talking first develop India.
Sir, according to you, which is the better one?
According to?
You, which is the better one?
According to me,
Yes.
मेरी ideology को कोई value नहीं. ठीक है, we can have discussion while having tea, but not here. ठीक है, वो अकेले बताऊंगा तुम.
So can you shed some light on the totalization agreement US is having with different countries?
The whole international relations.
Totalization agreement the US is having with different countries.
See, I will let's focus on US, but not India first. बाकी हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. हाँ.
On one hand, India is taking loans from IMF.
See, whatever I have done as per your demand of requirement management, we'll talk about that. Yes.
On one hand, India is taking loans from IMF and World Bank. On the other hand, India is giving loans in these type of banks. So how is it going?
How do you justify that?
And why is it doing IMF? It's taking loan on it.
Take an example of any country which have been given loan. We have given 1 billion loan to Nepal. Why? For hydropower projects. So we are not giving loan blindly to anybody. We are not selecting any country in South America और बोले तुमको loan दे. It's not.